Hi, I'm making this video to explain the concept of tithing and service. Tithing is basically something like a donation. Okay, in our school, we have been told that you have to tithe or donate 10% of your income. First is you have to choose the right organization where you tithe, because if you're not going to tithe or donate to the correct organization, you could have the repercussions of could be bad. Like if I'm going to tithe or donate to a organization which is into malpractices, then you are going to have negative karmas. You are going to be in that debt. Okay. So be very careful about where you tithe. Now you can tithe for different cases, like if you want to improve your relationship, or if you want to improve your health, if you want to improve your finances, you can just segregate that. So if you decide that okay, I can donate just $1,000, so 250 for relationship, 250 for finances, something like that. Now you can, now for example, if you're suffering from a serious ailment, like say anemia or cancer, then you should donate to an organization which is having, or to a cancer organization like say Tata Memorial, which is in Mumbai, or wherever. Or if you're having a problem with hearing or something like that, then you should be tithing to a deaf and dumb school. Okay. So I think I have never explained the concept of tithing, and that is why I just thought to convey it. Second is the second thing that I actually wanted to explain is that you might think that when I donate, I want to do it selflessly. Yeah, so that is a very good thing, and even I was of the same notion. But what happens is that, say, suppose if I'm going to donate or give to a person, he is going to be under a negative karmic debt. Okay, so he is going to be under a burden. Okay, so you do not want him to be overburdened by this negative debt, and that is why when you donate, there has to be a decree prayer. And in the decree prayer, basically you ask for your wellness. Yeah, so if I say donate say $1,000 for improving my health, what you should do, you should imagine that there is this money in your hand, and then you should say that prayer. So where you say that I hereby will and decree that the good karma which is generated by this tithing will come back to me many times in the form of good health, spiritually, materially, financially, and it should be used to neutralize my negative karmas. I accept these blessings fully, completely, and permanently. Okay, so this is how you're supposed to decree, which means that whatever your donations you do, you should be asking for neutralizing your karmas or for your good health. Okay, so these are a few important concepts which I actually wanted to convey, but sometimes I do not get time to do that. So I'm just sending across the video, and I'll send the prayer as well. Okay, so if possible, you please do it. Thank you.